Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 5 companies that offer dividends. Now some of these are going to be paying out monthly, so pretty much every month you are guaranteed money. Now all you have to do to get the money is obviously own a share of the company. Now before we jump into the episode here, we're going to be doing a AirPods giveaway. So how you enter, it's super simple. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then go like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. That will be all down below. But now let's jump into the episode of the top 5 dividend paying stocks. Alrighty guys, so we're up and loaded here on the Moomoo trading platform. And as you guys look, we do have ticker symbol O, or the Realty Income Corporation. Now this stock currently trades at $76.35, does have a 52-week high of $81.71 and a 52-week low of $62.28. Now what stands out from this stock is this stock pays its dividend monthly. So what that does is it really allows a lot of new investors to invest in the stock just because they do always get the cash flow of it coming in. Now what does the Realty Income Corporation do? Is they do buy commercial buildings and they lease them out to tenants, and the tenants will pay the company the lease, and that lease turns into dividends, and then that is where you guys get paid. So one thing that I do like about the Moomoo platform here is they do have the analysis here, so you guys can like scroll down, see what's going on, see where the capital is going, the capital distribution, and you guys can see the finances, and you guys can get the income statement. So you can go ahead, click on it, and you guys can see the total revenue and pretty much everything about the stock. So you guys can go down to dividend per share. So it does look like it does fluctuate between 2.95 and really 4.0. So overall, it's a good little stock here, and I highly recommend it. Moving on to the stock number 2. So stock number 2 here is ticker symbol SAFE, or Safehold Incorporated. So this stock does trade at roughly $42.01. It has had a 52-week low of roughly $16.06 and a 52-week high of 43. So it does look like we're creeping in on its highs. So these are what you call resistance lines. So you just got to be careful that you're not buying in at peak value. So we can go ahead and draw a nice little line here. Let's move this out of its way. So boom, boom. All right, so now we know. And looking at the stock here, we can go ahead and click the dividend here. It is roughly 15 cents per share. Now this stock does only pay a 1.46 dividend, but that is 61 cents roughly per year. Overall, this is a good stock. It's definitely trading up, and overall, it does have a market cap of almost $2 billion, so it's a lot smaller than the last corporation. So overall, I don't think buying it right now would be the best opportunity, just because it is on a little on the higher side with a lower dividend. But overall, it's still a good stock to own. So moving on to stock number 3 here, PBA, or the Pipeline Corporation. I can never say that word here. This stock currently trades at $38.59. It has had a 52-week low of $31 and a 52-week high of $39. So it does definitely trade in between the $31 and the $39 mark. Now this stock does offer a nice dividend of 4.5%, and that turns out to be roughly 15 cents per share, and this does pay out monthly as well. So it is a little on the cheaper side, but you still get a great dividend for the stock. Now the market cap for this stock is $19.75 billion, so it's almost to the Realty Income Corp, but it's more than double or triple or quadruple the Safe Corporation. Overall, if I was going to buy this stock, I think waiting for it would be the best move, just because it is almost on its high. And if we can get some little pullback, maybe down to like 36, 35, it'll save you some money, and I think that would be a better investment. So moving on to the next stock here is the one and only Disney. So Disney does offer a nice dividend. Also, the stock is killing it. So looking at the stock here, it only offers a 1.22 dividend, and that turns out to be roughly 88 cents per share. But overall, Disney is a great company to own just because look how large this market cap is. So the market cap is $260.14 billion. So it's a very, very large corporation that pays out a nice dividend. And you don't really have to worry about this stock dipping down so much, just because if we go back to, let's say, the quarter, look at it. The stock is killing it this past quarter. Overall, this is a great stock to own, and I think that this stock could easily push all the way up to, $210 by the end of 2020. So moving on to the last and final stock here, we do have the Coca-Cola company. Now, Coca-Cola stands out just because they do always pay a fantastic dividend. So let's go ahead, wait for it to load up here. All right, so Coca-Cola does offer a nice dividend of roughly 2.79%, and that turns out to be roughly 40 cents per share. Now, this stock does pay it quarterly, so you do get it every quarter, which is 4 times a year. But overall, this is a great stock to have. It does have a 52-week low of roughly $42 and a historical high of $57. So we are definitely approaching these highs. So obviously you don't want to buy the stock when it's at its highs. Wait for a little pullback before you actually go ahead and punch the gun. Now, the market cap on this stock is definitely large. This is a large cap stock. It does have a $243.96 billion market cap. And overall, these are some of the top dividend stocks that I would recommend purchasing before you guys miss out on these stocks, just because I love dividend paying stocks. These dividends are fantastic. It is literally free cash flow, and you're still investing your money in great companies that will build up and overall push the value of your portfolio up more, and you still get the dividend of a nice little cash flow there. So those are the top 5 companies that I am currently holding for my dividends. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it. And if you have any questions, go ahead, leave a comment, do what you guys do. Take care, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out.